Hello and welcome to Cad Resource. This is the second lecture of our Solidworks Beginner series. Today we are going to learn about 3D navigation in Solidworks. Let's open Solidworks. I have a 3D part loaded here. Now, if you want to zoom in or zoom out of your part, you can simply do so by rotating the middle mouse wheel. Rotate the middle mouse wheel up to zoom out and move it down to zoom in. You can also do the same by clicking on the Shift key and pressing down your middle mouse button and then move your mouse. If you want to rotate your model, just simply press and hold your middle mouse button and rotate your mouse. This is very useful in assembly models and in case you want to view any features that might be hidden from the other views. If you want to move your model, you can simply do that by holding down the control button and then pressing down the middle mouse button and then move your mouse. This will pan your 3D model. Remember, we are holding down the control key and the middle mouse button while moving our mouse. Now, the next feature is in the View toolbar. This is the View toolbar. Press on Zoom to fit the 3D model in your 3D working space. Just like this. This is very useful in case you are zoomed out and want to get your working model in the middle of your 3D working space. Just simply click on Zoom to fit, or you can simply click on the F button and it will do the same. Next, we have the Zoom to area. If you want to zoom in on any particular feature of your 3D model, just click on the Zoom to area. This will zoom in on the feature. If you want to simply go back, just click on Previous View button next to the Zoom to area feature. This will take you back to your previous views. If in any case you want to see the internal features of your model, you can do that by View Section button in the View bar. Click on Section View. This will create a plane that will show you any section of your 3D model that you like. You can also change the plane in which the section is cut by clicking here. For example, top plane, right plane, or you can also rotate it. You can simply turn it off, as this does not modify the properties of your 3D model. This is only a representation. Simply turn it off by clicking on the Section View button. The next useful feature is the View Cube that can easily be accessed by clicking on the View Orientation button. This is the View Cube that will give you a preview of any view that you can potentially access by using the view queue. Now we have the front area preview on the right view, the bottom view, and the back view. You can simply go to the back view by clicking here. Click again. You can also go to the front view by clicking here. Now we have the display style option. Currently, shaded with edges is turned on. Now we will learn about the display styles in SolidWorks. Currently, shaded with edges is turned on. You can use shaded, hidden lines removed. If you want to see the internal hidden details, you can do so by clicking hidden on lines, or if you want to see the wireframe, you can simply do that by clicking the wireframe view. Let's go back to shaded with edges. That is my preference. You can also hide or show different options of 3D working space by clicking on hide or show menu here. If you're working, you might like to turn on the planes, or the origin. These options can be simply turned off by clicking on them again. You can also turn off the view origins, and we are not currently relying on that. The next option is the edit appearance. This will change the appearance of your model. You can select any of these and simply apply. This will help you out during 3D rendering of the 3D model. The next is apply scene. Currently plain white is turned on. You can choose gray with overlay light, spotlight, rooftop, or urban 5 background to represent your model. I like the 3-point fitted, that is also SolidWorks default. Now in the view settings, we have shadow and shaded mode turned on, perspective mode, and cartoon mode. Turning all these on will depend on the processing power of your graphics card. If you want to maximize the speed of SolidWorks, you might like to turn them off while working. In the left, we have the feature tree. Just like I mentioned in my previous lecture. SolidWorks is a history-based parametric 3D modeling software. You can simply use this bar to go back to the start of your model. Moving it down will show you the first feature that you made, which in this case is this square feature. The next was a cut that was made using the cut extrude, followed by this extruded feature. Now this feature was extruded, and lastly a through hole was modeled. This feature is pretty handy in following up on your steps that you have followed so far. We are going to use all these features in detail in the upcoming series, where I will teach you we will use all these features later in the series, where I teach you step by step in a concise and easy to follow manner that will help you becoming a SolidWorks professional. See you in the next episode. Take care.